Seth Curry, born 1990, elite NBA three-point shooter. Kobe Bryant, 1978 to 2020, five-time NBA champion and 18-time All-Star for the Los Angeles Lakers. Barbara Eden, born 1931, iconic actress best known for starring in I Dream of Jenny. PJ Washington Jr., born 1998, forward for the Dallas Mavericks. Shelley Long, born 1949, Emmy-winning actress famous for Cheers. Scott Caan, born 1976, actor known for Hawaii Five-O and the Ocean's Trilogy. KK, 1968 to 2022, highly celebrated Indian playback singer. River Phoenix, 1970 to 1993, critically acclaimed actor from Stand By Me. Lil Yachty, born 1997, Grammy-nominated American rapper and record producer. Rick Springfield, born 1949, Australian musician known for the hit song Jessie's Girl. Trixie Mattel, born 1989, drag queen, singer and RuPaul's Drag Race All-Star winner. Andrew Rannells, born 1978, Broadway and girls television star. Park Chan-wook, born 1963, acclaimed South Korean director of Old Boy. Bunny Kapoor, born 1988, popular Bollywood actress. Saira Banu, born 1944, legendary veteran Indian film actress. Thank you for watching this video.